Good morning! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Jeslyn Lari. So I literally just woke up and it's now 8:30. I actually woke up a little bit earlier tadi, but I fell asleep again. Hari ini tuh aku bakal ada house party. Jadi aku rent Airbnb khusus untuk ngerayain ini karena memang COVID lagi tinggi-tingginya and it's almost my birthday. So I decided to host pool party untuk teman-teman terdekat aku dan my inner circle. Jadi aku decide untuk nge-vlog the event today. Jadi aku excited banget untuk sharing juga ke kalian. I'm going to go there in the evening. Terus nanti aku juga harus syuting untuk sponsor endorsement. Terus habis kerja aku harus packing, siap-siap dan langsung jalan. So aku baru mandi and I'm gonna have my lunch now. And after that I need to shoot for the Creme Cafe for work. So I just made another content juga. It's baking now. As you can see, it's setting already. This is a trial. It's really good. Are you ready to go? They're joining us for this trip. Yay. Jadi aku baru selesai packing semua. Hopefully I didn't forget anything. Tapi seharusnya sih semua udah okay. But yeah, sekarang bentar lagi aku udah mau jalan ke Airbnb-nya. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey, don't stop over blast lah, Kopi. Yeah? Yuk. Yuk, Kopi. So this is the place that I rented. Ayo, semuanya. Hey, yay, we party again today. Party ya? Let's go. Wow. Wow. Such a nice place. Such a nice place. Not even kidding, like, it's pretty legit. First menu is here. I'll unpack it dulu. Ta-da! The alcohol is also here, guys, pastinya. Jadi kita sambil nonton YouTubeku. Hai Kobi. Hi Bess. So my sister's here. She just arrived from uni. No.
Kopi. Nggak pernah mandi aja. Langsung dah. Bangun dulu. Jahat banget ya.
Masih. Sayang, Ben. Jadi gue lagi berenang with Peter, William, and Jonathan. Are you so adorable? Oh, you so good. Wow. Wow, you swim so fast loh. So fast. So fast, so fast. Oh, aku jinjit sih kalau di sini. So cute. Her head basah-basah gitu kan. Happy? It's so
Angka 9.
Apa?
Tuh. Touch, smell, taste. Oh, kidding.
Emerald. Blue. Salah.
Iya. Sebutin mantan lo siapa aja.
How many consonants are there in the English alphabet? What's your biggest fear? Tuh, weird! Love language mantan terakhir apa? 3, 2, Satu, dua, tiga.
Sashimi shot. Oh, they're waiting for us right now. Kita lagi mandi. Yeah. Bless. So I just took a shower. We had fun. Yes. Jadi kita sekarang lagi mau minum-minum di bawah dan ngobrol.
Oh, gua bisa bantu.
Yay!
Cium nyampe.
Cuma satu problemnya. Cuma satu bungkus ya.
Ini ada 2, tuh ada 3 ya.
Jess tuh sabar banget.
Sama siapa?
Rodian.
Gak biasa gue. So we're now drinking.
Chef apa?
She's
Gue justnya.
Oh, kayak kita dia.
Jangan lupa subscribe, buka notification-nya.
Record video biasa.
Kita angkat.
Ya.
Tuh, 2, 3. Wah, berat lu.
ini kenapa nih?
Mau kemana? Udah taruh aja.
Gue sih kayak pengen kayak duduk gitu sih.
Ya udah duduk lah, itu yang gue juga mau.
Give me kiss.
Tadi udah marah sama lu ya.
Bless. Baik banget gitu menit sampai Brian William juga. Sakit kepala gue tiba-tiba.
Ini udah gak bisa rasain apa itu whisky.
Apa?
Iya, mama pasti gara-gara whisky.
Honey baik Paul beliin kita bakmi. This is the one I need. Kok bisa?
I was holding you.
Oh, terus? Hangover food. Okay guys, so back again with my birthday vlog, and this only happens once a year guys. My sister pampering me and loving me and giving me all the attention that I want. Morning guys, it's my birthday today, hooray. It's like any other day actually, but today I'll just be receiving more gifts and wishes than usual I guess. But anyway, I'm gonna take a shower now karena I have to take pictures stuff for content juga. So yeah, we have Bless here. Udah nggak ketemu JJ 3 minggu, akhirnya dia surprising gua demi guys. Thank you. So I just changed into my dress that I got for rental the other day, and I'm about to take pictures.
Princess Jasmine.
Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Thank you guys for coming here. Cake siapa yang buat?
We
bought
bought
it.
and also we bought your favorite.
Happy birthday. Waduh, rapi sekali. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy
Happy birthday, Jejen! Tuh.
Kencengin suaranya. Itu kuenya di lu kan lu.
Kuenya dulu boleh kali. Sini dari siapa?
Dari me, Envy, and Pero.
Baik mau Ci, I love you Kul. Yeay. Peter this, I bet it's Peter.
Yeah, of course, Peter.
Belum mulai.
Bagian Pero nangis.
Ada tisu ya, nggak usah nangis.
Ada di situ tuh.
Pas gue 19 tahun, mami Neki.
Full of joy and happiness. Succeed in career and you can get what you get. You must be optimistic, okay? Daddy and mommy love you so much. Happy birthday, Jesslyn.
All the best.
Finally get to experience the kind of love that you deserve. Because you deserve the best.
Happiest birthday, Auntie. 22, that is insane. I am using Snapchat so that I don't. So peace. Peace in your life, your heart, your mind, and just peace. You know? I think that's what you need most. I think at this point in your life. And money. You know, I need my sugar mommy. And, I love you. I love you and everything you are and have been and will become. I can't wait to see you soon. Oh my girl!
Brian, aku continued na Brian.
Okay, happy birthday, Jejes.
Hey Jesslyn, wish you all the best and I love you girl.
Hi Jess, happy birthday. Semoga
Where's my fish? Oh, my gyoza too. Do you like collect clips from like my YouTube videos? It's so cute. Emang sengaja. I just had my eyelashes done, guys. And I went to the salon. Look at
Banget sih.
Jadi guys ada drama ya pas waktu buat konten, hahaha. Anyway, jadi kayak banyak banget kue, and me and my sister gak bisa finish berdua. So I think I'm gonna share it with everyone else yang kurang beruntung dan aku pengen give back. So I'm gonna divide it into kayak boxes yang kecil-kecil dan juga aku bakal bagi ke semuanya.
Jadi guys, ini bagian terakhir untuk vlog aku. Aku ada banyak banget kue, jadi aku kemarin udah sempet bagi-bagiin ke kotak-kotak. Dan pastinya aku juga mau bagi-bagi ke orang-orang yang kurang beruntung. Dan juga aku mau masak mie goreng. Jadi mie goreng kan biasanya kayak di-celebrate sebagai, oh kamu harus makan mie goreng nih pas ulang tahun biar panjang umur. Jadi aku sekalian mau masak mie goreng untuk orang-orang yang kurang beruntung itu, sekalian bagi-bagiin kue. Jadi ini bentar lagi aku mau ke Market City untuk belanja bahan-bahannya.
Makanya pas ya hobi kayak dia.
Selesai. Already.
Kasih Mbak. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Iya, Ceng.
Terima kasih, Non.
Kasih Non. Kasih Nanda.
Ini ya.
Satu lagi mau kata anak saya.
Oh iya boleh. Sama-sama.
Kasih Nan.
Pak, Bu.
Alhamdulillah, dia bayar rezeki ya.
Iya, sama-sama.
Ya.
Terima kasih.
Makasih dah dia ya. Bagaimana? Makasih Tante.
Sama-sama.